Hello friends, today I will show you one way to not build a spray zone. We are trying to fix this zone right now, and it's going to get fixed, and that's going to partially end result of what's happening, and you will see it in action. So we have a spray zone, it's not working, and it has bad pressure. We checked at the valve, and pressure at the valve's good. So I was thinking it was something in the line, or maybe a crushed pipe. And anyway, did some digging. And we have 3/4 inch line here, and then it's converted to funny pipe. And you see there's internal fittings. But basically, this spray head down here is funny piped. And then they teed it up here, funny pipe. And then this one is also funny pipe right there, the end of the line. So I'm gonna take it apart at this junction, and I'm hoping there is some rocks in there jamming that up. And then we might have to cut out all the T's. Might be rocks in that because it's really small diameter. There's also a bunch of roots, so they're on the bottom. But maybe there's roots in there clogging this thing up. All right, here goes. Maybe. All right, it was a little bit of a struggle, but I got it. Let's see if there's anything obvious in there. Ooh. I can't really see in there. Oh, there we go. All right, I'm gonna turn this on, see if pressure's good. All right, so I just kind of rigged this up so I didn't get a bunch of flooding, but this is good news. Before we were just getting a trickle out of the sprinkler heads, so. Oh yeah. This is awesome. So, since we have good pressure here, before we were just getting a little trickle out of the lowest head, we're gonna just start, we're gonna cut out and replace these T's, and we use compression tees, so they'll go on the outside, so this diameter won't shrink up anymore. Then we'll turn it on, see if it works. Then we might just replace some of these other fittings. Just depends on what's working and what's not working. All right, so this is the old one. This is the new one. And we're gonna, it's an outside fitting. The old one's internal, so I just wanted to show you the difference here. How small it gets compared to it's not restricting the flow versus restricting the flow. We'll see if there's anything obvious in here. Oh yeah, look at that. It was restricting the flow. Look at that. There you go, boys. You can't really see in there. There's rocks in there, and there's actually rocks. Where did it go? There's rocks in the funny pipe that I pulled out. So we're gonna go outside, guys. Outside, okay? Outside fitting. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, super pumped. that was it. I'm not going to make a comment about the sprinkler head layout design for an area like this. There's 3 heads.